Welcome to MyVoice, your helping hand through the criminal justice system. If you have been affected by a crime and you're not sure what to do next, MyVoice is here to help. This video will explain how to use the MyVoice tool. When you arrive on the MyVoice homepage, you will be greeted by 4 main buttons. After clicking the button that best relates to your situation, your MyVoice journey will start. Initially, you will have the option to be taken through a step-by-step guide, which shows you how to navigate and use MyVoice. It will highlight the blue navigation bar that follows you from page to page, allowing you to go back, skip pages, or view your journey map. The journey map breaks down the different parts of the site and marks the sections that you have read. By clicking on each section, you will be directed to a title page, which gives you an overview of the information included and the option to watch an information video. The information videos offer you a video guide to the different elements in the criminal justice journey. You can find all the videos together under the help section in information videos. When you are browsing through the pages on the site, you will notice buttons on the right-hand side. These buttons offer quick links to pages such as the glossary and the interactive courtroom. You can also track your crime and view frequently asked questions. Each page will also tell you how long it will take to read and give you options to share or print the page you are on. Once you've read this section, you can move on to the next stage via the buttons at the bottom. If you are going to court or just want to find out more about how a court works, the interactive courtroom is the place to do so. You can explore the courtroom, waiting room, and outside of the court to find out who's who and what their roles are. Start your MyVoice journey now through the 4 main buttons on the homepage, or start watching our information videos.